Vintage EQs in Logic are a group of fairly high quality emulations of classic analog or hardware EQs. One thing I have always personally found about software EQs, or the majority of software EQs to date, is that while they are fine for augmenting characteristics that sounds already possess, such as brightening or emphasizing a particular frequency range, they do struggle to add that extra character to sounds, for example adding warmth or crispness that their analog cousins were able to do. However, the software is slowly catching up, and these hardware emulations do go some way towards changing that. The first is the console EQ. These EQs were part of the channel strips in the famous Neve 1073 console. As you can see, the EQ type is fixed depending on the band. We have a low cut, two shelves for the high and low frequencies respectively, and a band for the middle. The bandwidth of the mids and lows can be controlled via the two dials underneath. The output can be set to natural or linear phase modes. And there are also some further colouring presets available in the output section. Graphic EQ. This EQ is modelled on the API 560 hardware EQ. It is an appealingly simple EQ consisting of 10 bands. You can't set bandwidth as you can with, for example, the channel EQ here. However, you can change the bandwidth across all the bands with the tune setting here in the top left, which shifts the positioning of all the bands together up or down, up to an octave in either direction. As with the console EQ, you have a range of output models to choose from, which can have a distinct effect on the character of the sound. Tube EQ. This final emulation is a composite model of two legendary Pultec hardware EQs. This is another simple EQ with two shells for the top end, low and high peak filter, and a mid-range filter which can only be used to attenuate or cut. You can also select between natural and linear phase modes, a feature that wasn't available on the original Pultec EQs. While it's debatable just how close these emulations get to the hardware models themselves, these EQs all sound great and will add a definite character to any sound they are applied to. And considering they're essentially free to Logic users, one cannot complain.